How to fix solo leveling sound problem. What's up everyone? We will fix this problem together in this tutorial, so let's learn how to do it. You just have to open the settings of your mobile phone, go click at apps option and search for solo leveling and click. Right now you will see here this list. Scroll it down, click at storage option, click clear cache at the corner of the screen. Go back after doing that, click here on force stop and click right now OK. Come guys to Play Store or App Store and here update your solo leveling. After that restart your mobile phone and that's it. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and bye.